Mohbad's family, Wunmi, Mohbad's mother, Mohbad's son, and Adura. The major purpose of this press conference is to educate the masses about an ongoing rumor that Adura knows who killed or knew who killed his brother, and that it was the wife who allegedly put the brother to death. You understand, and that he needed money to give this information out. So this is the major, and some people are feasting on this. Some social media practitioners are feasting on this to make money. You understand, to inform the public, which is not too good for the image of an integrity of Adura and the image of the family of Aloba in general. As a young man, the future is still very bright, very, very bright. We can become more popular than Mohbad tomorrow, which we are praying, But then, which anybody should pray for. But so somebody do not think, oh, because I have the social media at my hand, I have people who follow me or who are following me, let me pull this person down, let me drag him down, let me bring negative news about him so that I can have followers, so that there can be traffic on my peak. This is what Yomi Fabiyi is doing from all I am seeing here. I would not have been so critical about him if he had not been informed, or if he had been informed informally. But he was informed formally through the police at the police station. Do you understand? It's not by the roadside. It's not at a mechanic workshop. It's not at any lawyer's office or anywhere at all, but at the police station. And they even brought the impostor. This is the person you have been chatting with, or that has been chatting with you. It's not Adura. What else do you want? So if there is no personal interest or personal gain that he is driving at, I think he should just, desist. There is evidence of Adura selling his phone. There is evidence of Adura selling his phone. Damola Bello, the banking evidence is there that he sent the money, 350,000. There is evidence of illegal logging in. There is evidence of timeline showing that he has hacked the account, the TikTok account of Adura, and so on and so forth. And Yomi Fabiyi is at the forefront of this, was invited to the police station, and all this evidence were, shown to him, which would have been the end of the matter, but because of what his own personal interest, he has continued, or he has continuously, been circulating this, lies. You understand? There is no how Adura will know that Wunmi knew anything about the death of her husband and not say it. So, and he has given evidence, he has given statements to police, he has given evidence to the law enforcement officers about the cause of death. We have evidence of unauthorized changing of password, evidence of logging in. We have evidence of changing of password. We have evidence of hacking of the TikTok. We have evidence of the timeline, and so on and so forth. We have the evidence of the bank transaction of 350,000 with which Damola bought the phone from Adura. So all these things are there, to which this guy Fabiyi has become aware of. The police have become aware of this. Unfortunately, the Fabiyi and his cohorts still want to continue to damage the reputation of an innocent guy.